Welcome to CakeBot's tutorial on limit orders. Today, we're diving into the art of strategically buying and selling tokens at predetermined prices through limit orders. To begin, access the Buy Limit dashboard and tailor your purchase parameters using the menu. Firstly, choose the wallets you'd like to use for the Buy Limit order. For this tutorial, we will use Wallet 1. Set your buy amount. For multiple wallets, the specified amount will be spent from each wallet. Want a custom value? Use the custom option. For instance, inputting 0.001 will spend 0.001 BNB from each chosen wallet. Adjusting slippage, use the quick select buttons or opt for a custom percentage. In this example, I will use a slippage of 2.5%. Designate the price trigger for your limit order. Select from pre-configured options or define your own. In this case, I'm looking to buy the dip after a minus 38.2% price drop. This signifies that our transaction will only be submitted once the value of Doge dips by 38.2%. Now we need to copy and paste the address of the token we will be buying. By default, this buy limit order will be active for 72 hours. To change this, click the Expires button and enter the number of hours you want this buy order to be active for. I will use 720 hours for this buy order, which is equal to 30 days. Next, choose your gas amount. By default, the bot will use 3 GUI, which is the minimum gas required for transactions on the Binance Smart Chain. In this example, I am going to use 5 GUI. Finally, submit your buy order by clicking the Submit Buy Limit Order button. You will be notified once the buy order has been created. You can continue to use the bot as normal once your buy order has been set up. If your desired price target is reached, your transaction will automatically be submitted and you will receive a notification with the transaction details and relevant links. To view your existing buy limit orders, click the Manage Your Buy Limit Orders button. Here you can see all relevant details for your existing buy limit orders. To remove a buy limit order, click the ID to copy it, then click the Remove Buy Limit Order button. Paste the ID, hit Enter, and that buy limit order will be removed. We can also set up sell limit orders to sell tokens at a specified price point. Click the Main Menu button, then click the Sell Limit button. The process for creating a sell limit order is similar to setting up a buy limit order. In this example, I will sell 50% of my Doge from Wallet 1 after the price increases 100%, which would represent a 2x. Once you have configured the options, click the Submit Sell Limit Order button to create the sell limit order. As you can see, the sell limit order has been set up successfully. You can manage your sell limit orders by clicking the Manage Your Sell Limit Orders button. This concludes our walkthrough on CakeBot's limit orders. Eager to learn more? Stay with us as we delve deeper into CakeBot's array of features in upcoming videos. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments, questions, or feedback below.